All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of our second $50 break credit. This is from 2 weeks ago. I was out last week, so these are from 2 weeks ago breaks. We have 238 total non-winning entries that are eligible. So that is all the way back up to there. I know they're not in any order. These are just numbered based on where you are in the other breaks. But 238 total entries. So we'll check the time, November 13th at 12:52 p.m. Going to go over to, we'll call it the raffle, and type live. And we have November 13th at 12:52 p.m. There is the list of our 238 entries. We're just going to randomize this list, and then whoever is on top after the final roll wins the $50 break credit. So for this many entries, we're going to do 3 dice, has to be 8 or higher, and we have 12. All right, so 12 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Nick Roki, spot number 5 in whatever break that was. Nick Roki, you are the winner of the $50 break credit. So that is it. Let me get back to the bottom here. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, November 13th, 12:53 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.